Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This will get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, it's all about the jobs crisis today. American jobless claims came in almost 3 million last week, a small decrease from the previous week, but 20% more than was expected. And the prior week was revised higher. That means that in the past 8 weeks, 36 million people have applied for benefits, or 23% of those employed at the start of March. The unemployment rate in households earning less than $40,000 is now running at 40%. A second wave of layoffs in the US is underway, according to early anecdotal reports. And a new Fed survey taken in March before the fierce bite of the layoffs started showed that a quarter of all adults had their pay cut. And the level will be much higher in April and May, of course. Nowhere else has seen a jobs disaster like this. And China's inbound investment is rising again after a brief reduction. It rose almost 9% in April from the same month a year ago, after falls in February and March. And China said it's likely to increase its government deficit to about 3.5% of GDP, a rise from 2.8% in 2019. And China purchased about 3/4 of Brazil's soybean exports, effectively freezing out the US. It's also a trade that monetized rainforest clearing. Japanese machine tool orders fell 50% in April, year on year, and are at their lowest level in more than 10 years. And things aren't happy employment-wise in Australia either. Their unemployment rate jumped to 6.3% in April, with 580,000 jobs lost during the month. US Treasury 10-year yield is lower at just on 0.62%, a third consecutive 3 basis points retreat in the day. And gold is firmer again today, up $17 to $1,728 an ounce. Oil prices are higher today too. The US crude price is up by about $2 to just over $27 a barrel. The international oil price is up a similar amount to $31 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is softer this morning, now just on 59.7 US cents. On the cross rates were little changed at 92.8 Australian cents, and against the euro was still at 55.3 euro cents. These shifts mean the trade-weighted index is now at 65.9. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.